Hello, welcome to Crimzo Classroom. We have question here to attend to, and the topic is multiplying mixed fractions. So the first one says 2 whole number 1 over 4 of 4, and the second question is 3 whole number 1 over 7 of 49. So we are going to solve it. We have solutions. So the first one is 2 whole number 1 over 4. So this of is going to be changed to multiplication sign, which is times what? 4. So here you can make the 4 over 1, because any number standing alone is always over 1. So the first thing we are going to do now is we change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1 will give us 9. That is 9 over 4 times 4 over 1. So here we have the numerators, we have the denominators and we have the numerators. So 4 and the 4 can go. So 4 divided 4 is 1 and the 4 divided 4 is 1. So left here is 9 and 1. That is 9 times 1 will give us 9. So this is the answer to number 1. So looking at number 2, in number 2 we have 3 whole number 1 over 7 of changes to what? Multiplication sign. So 3 whole number 1 over 7 times 49. 40. Now you can make it over 1. So the next thing to do here is changing this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we have 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 1 will give us 22 over 7. Then times 49. 49 over 1. So here 7 divide 7, 1, and 7 divide 49 is 7. So what we have next is 22 times 7. Let's put it this way: 22 times 7. So here 7 times 2 is 14. We write 4, carry 1 over 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. That is 154. So this is the final answer to question number 2. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crimzo Classroom. Like, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you in the next class.